Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Lepo fish Ambot Tik, a spicy, tangy and flavorful curry that's a true Goan classic. This traditional Goan recipe combines the perfect balance of heat from the red chilies and slight sourness from tamarind and kokum, giving every bite that authentic Ambot Tik taste Goans love. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Lepo fish Ambot Tik, a delicious Goan curry made with sole fish, which is also called Lepo fish, simmered gently in a thick spiced masala paste that's full of Goan flavor. This dish is a must-try for every seafood lover. You'll learn how to prepare an authentic Goan-style Ambot Tik right at your home. With simple ingredients, easy cooking tips, and exact method to get that perfect tangy spicy balance. It pairs beautifully with steamed rice, chapati, or bread. Pure Goan comfort food at its best. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Lepo fish Ambot Tik curry. Step 1. Preparing the fish. We have taken 12 pieces of Lepo fish, also called sole fish, weighing around 500 grams, and we have placed them in a bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Apply it nicely to the fish. Ensure both sides of the fish are coated properly and evenly. If you want to learn how to clean the Lepo fish, refer to step 1 of our Lepo fish fry recipe. The link is displayed at the top right hand corner of your screen now. You will also find the link in the description box, or simply let us know in the comments and we will send you the link. Cover and keep aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for the curry paste. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water and keep it aside to soak. Take 5 Kashmiri red chilies, 2 Bedgi red chilies. Break the red chilies into smaller pieces and discard the fallen seeds. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut it into smaller pieces. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 10 black peppercorns. 5 cloves. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. Ingredients for the gravy. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut it fine. 1 medium-sized tomato. Cut it fine. 1 medium-sized green chili. Cut it into 2 and then slit them. 3 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Lightly crush them. 4 pieces of kokum or Garcinia indica. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the black peppercorns. Add the cloves, cinnamon sticks, ginger pieces. Add the garlic pieces, red chili pieces. Add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Grind to a fine paste. If required, you can add a little more water while grinding. Remove the ground paste in a bowl. Curry paste is ready. Use 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and save the rinsed curry water in a separate bowl. Step 4. Preparing the Lepo fish Ambot Tik curry. Place an open, thick bottom pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir them properly. Cook the onions until they become translucent. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add the crushed garlic. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, add the tomato. Stir everything nicely. Once the tomato becomes soft and mushy, add the curry paste. Stir everything properly. Cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the rinsed curry water. Mix everything nicely. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Add another half cup or 125 ml of water. Now add the kokum pieces. Add the slit green chili. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Add half teaspoon of salt. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. We added around half cup or 125 ml of water. Cover and cook for around 8 to 10 minutes, bringing the curry to a nice boil. After 8 to 10 minutes, when the curry is boiling, open the cover. Gently place the marinated fish into the curry. Lower the flame to medium-low.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, and subscribe for more recipes. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Cover and let it simmer on medium-low heat for around 2 minutes until the fish is cooked and has absorbed all the flavors. Lift and tilt the pan gently to move the curry around as if you are swirling the curry in the pan. Avoid using a spoon at this stage or you will end up breaking the fish. Check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Gently swirl the pan around. Do not overcook, otherwise you will end up breaking the fish. Once done, turn off the heat. Delicious Lepo Ambot Tik curry is ready. Serve it hot with rice, chapati or bread. Do let us know in the comments how you like this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.